Hello friends, this is the question number 2 of the August 2025 MEO Class 1 paper, and the question goes with the topic on the carbon intensity indicator. It is CII under MARPOL, the concepts, the commercial impacts and shortcomings and remedies for 10 plus 6 marks. And the concept of CII and commercial impact, which is for 10 marks here. Now, what is MARPOL NX6 as per what is CII as per MARPOL NX6 2023? CII is verified annual consumption of CO2 per transport work. That is gram CO2 per deadweight times nautical miles for cargo ships and per pax nautical mile for pack ships. Right? We are not talking about pack ships now. For each ships above 5,000 gross tonnage, they must have shipboard energy efficiency management plan part 3 with an annual CII target and receiving a rating of A to E. D 3 years or E for 1 year triggers a corrective action plan in shipboard energy efficiency management plan. Measured from the AR using IMO DCS fuel data, right? Again, carbon intensity indicator is basically the annual operational carbon dioxide per transport work, that is CO2, gram CO2 per deadweight nautical mile. So every ship above 5,000 gross tonnage should have shipboard emergency energy efficiency management plan part 3 with the annual CII target, and it is graded from A to E. D 3 times or E comes for one year, it triggers a corrective action plan in SEMP. Right. All the data comes from IMO DCS. Commercial impact, charter party clauses and speed power orders tightly linked to achieving target CII influences speed, routing, weather avoidance, waiting at anchorage. Asset values and financing, higher rated ships get better access to cargoes, lower financing costs, green port rebates, rated risk, commercial exclusion. OPEX and CAPEX decision drives hull propeller care, shaft power limitation, that is Shapoli, engine power limitations, EPL, air lubrication, wind assist and voyage optimization tool. Fleet deployment, owners reassign vessels to shorter sea legs, fewer port stays to protect the CII. Seasonal layup of weak performance. So there may be many layups for weak performing ships. Compliance risk, poor rating, PSC attention, reputational risk, higher insurances. Again, the commercial impacts, the charter party clauses and the speed power order tightly linked to achieving the target CII and influences speed, routing, weather avoidance and waiting at anchorage. Asset values and financing, higher rated ships get better access to cargoes, lower financing costs, green port rebates, E-rated risk and commercial exclusion. OPEX and CAPEX decision drives hull power care, shaft power limitations, Shapoli, or engine power limitations, EPL, air lubrication, wind assist, voyage optimization tools are necessary. Fleet deployment, owner reassigns a vessel to shorter legs, fewer port stays to protect CII, seasonal layoff of weak performers, and compliance, poor rating, PSC. It draws PSC attention, reputational risk, and high insurances. Shortcomings and industry remedies. Perceived shortcomings are port idle time penalized, trade with long port stay, ro disadvantages, weather sea state not normalized, ballast heavy or low utilization legs looks inefficient. One size metrics can misrepresent LNG carriers, PCC or PCTC or offshore vessels. Operational gaming risk, sail longer, faster with light cargo to improve denominator. This can happen. The vessels may sail longer with less cargo to improve a denominator. Inertia of annual rating versus real-time decision needs. The priority may go on getting the ratings right rather than real-time decisions. Remedial measures in use, operational speed management windows, just-in-time arrival, weather routing, trim ballast optimization, hull grooming, propeller polishing, technical EPL, Shapoli, waste heat recovery, VFD, HVAC optimization, wind assist, lubrication, commercial strategy, trade reallocation, pooling, Charter clauses aligns with CI responsibility, green port incentives, policy tweaks. Yes, wherever applicable, use of correction factors, exemptions. That is for the ice class, adverse condition, ro lane, etc., and SIMP corrective plans. All these things will be the remedial measures.